Hello and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of yoga with the 1/3 Yoga Mat Thick, a comprehensive yoga kit perfect for both beginners and seasoned practitioners. This set includes a high-density yoga mat designed with anti-tear material, ensuring ultimate comfort and durability for your practice. The mat provides exceptional cushioning and support, making every pose more enjoyable and reducing strain on your joints. Along with the mat, you'll find a multi-loops yoga strap, ideal for enhancing flexibility and achieving deeper stretches. The kit also includes yoga blocks to assist with balance and alignment, a booty resistance band set for strength training, and a door anchor to expand your workout possibilities. Whether you're just starting your yoga journey or looking to elevate your practice, this yoga kit has everything you need to transform your routine. So, roll out your mat, grab your gear, and let's get started on a path to wellness and tranquility. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below.